Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to GitHub Advanced Security for code scanning, detailed guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the organization or repository where you want to enable advanced security. Select the Settings tab from the repository menu. In the left sidebar, find and click on Security and Analysis. Look for GitHub Advanced Security in the options presented. If you don't see it, ensure your repository is eligible for advanced security features. Click on the Enable GitHub Advanced Security button. Read the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. Once you agree, confirm your selection to enable the feature. You may need to configure specific security features like code scanning. To set up code scanning, return to the Security and Analysis page. Find the Code Scanning section and click on Set up Code Scanning. GitHub may provide recommendations for workflows, such as using CodeQL. Select a recommended workflow or create a custom one based on your needs. Follow the prompts to configure your selected workflow appropriately. Once configured, commit the changes to your repository. GitHub will automatically initiate code scans based on the defined schedule. You can monitor scan results under the Security tab in your repository. Review any findings and address them as necessary to maintain code quality. You can now leverage its features to enhance your code security and quality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.